Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. At this moment, we will share with you stylish modern TV cabinet design and tips to elevate your contemporary living room centerpiece with perfect focal point ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In the contemporary living room, the television often takes center stage. But how can we ensure this central element complements, rather than dominates, our carefully curated design aesthetic? Enter the modern TV cabinet, a marriage of form and function that transcends mere storage. Unveiling modern design, a symphony of clean lines and innovation. Modern TV cabinet design is defined by its minimalist approach, favoring clean lines, geometric shapes, and uncluttered surfaces. Think sleek silhouettes, muted palettes, and a focus on high-quality materials that exude sophistication. This aesthetic seamlessly integrates with contemporary living spaces, fostering a sense of order and visual harmony. Why embrace the modern marvel? A compelling case for upgrading your TV stand. Beyond aesthetics, modern TV cabinets offer a plethora of practical benefits. Their efficient storage solutions help combat clutter, keeping media devices, gaming consoles, and entertainment essentials organized and out of sight. Moreover, their functional designs often incorporate cable management features, eliminating unsightly wires and enhancing the overall visual appeal of your living room. Living Room Symphony, orchestrating harmony with your TV cabinet. Integrating a modern TV cabinet into your living space is an art form. Consider the overall flow of your room, ensuring the cabinet complements existing furniture and decor. Utilize negative space effectively, allowing the cabinet to breathe and avoiding an overcrowded feel. For a touch of drama, consider mounting your TV on the wall above the cabinet, creating a focal point and maximizing floor space. Material matters, unveiling the perfect match for your design vision. The material you choose for your modern TV cabinet plays a crucial role in its aesthetic and functionality. Wood, with its timeless warmth and natural beauty, is a popular choice. Opt for sleek, dark wood for a sophisticated look, or light wood for a Scandinavian-inspired vibe. Metal adds a touch of industrial chic, while glass shelves offer a sense of airiness and lightness. Ultimately, the best material depends on your personal style and the overall design direction of your living room. Crafting your masterpiece, a guide to designing the perfect TV unit cabinet. Designing your own TV unit cabinet allows you to tailor it to your specific needs and preferences. Start by determining the size and layout of the unit, considering the size of your TV, storage requirements, and desired functionality. Sketch out your design, incorporating elements like open shelves, closed cabinets, drawers, and cable management features. Don't forget to factor in the overall height and depth of the unit, ensuring its proportions complement your living space. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 modern TV cabinet design ideas to inspire your next project. 1. The Minimalist Masterpiece, a sleek, low-profile cabinet in a neutral color, featuring clean lines and hidden storage. 2. Industrial Chic, a metal cabinet with exposed rivets and distressed wood accents, perfect for lofts and modern industrial spaces. 3. Mid-century Modern Marvel, a walnut cabinet with tapered legs and brass hardware, exuding vintage charm and timeless elegance. 4. Scandinavian Simplicity, a light wood cabinet with open shelves and clean lines, fostering a sense of light and airiness. 5. Geometric Gem, a cabinet with geometric shapes and contrasting colors, adding a touch of playful personality to your living room. 6. Floating Fantasy, a wall-mounted cabinet with hidden brackets, creating a minimalist and modern illusion. 7. Multifunctional Marvel, a cabinet with integrated shelving and drawers, offering ample storage for books, magazines, and other living room essentials. 8. Media Magic, a cabinet with built-in features like a soundbar mount and cable management system, ideal for entertainment enthusiasts. Nine. Glass Act, a cabinet with glass shelves and doors, showcasing your favorite books, artwork, or decorative objects. 10. LED Luminary, a cabinet with integrated LED lighting, adding a touch of ambience and highlighting your prized possessions. Modern TV cabinets are more than just furniture, they are design statements that elevate your living space with style and functionality. So, ditch the outdated stand and embrace the modern marvel. Visit Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for more inspiring ideas and expert tips on creating the perfect TV cabinet for your home. Remember, your living room is your canvas, and the modern TV cabinet is your brush. Unleash your creativity and paint a masterpiece of style and function. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of stylish modern TV cabinet design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.